Your container won't start and you're panicking. This happens to everyone, but knowing these 5 debug steps will save you hours of frustration. First, check your logs and exit code. Docker logs container name. Then Docker inspect for the exit code. 0 means success. Anything else tells a story. Second, verify your image exists and dependencies. Docker images to list, then Docker run with interactive mode to test manually. Pro tip, override the entry point with docker run -- entry point bin /sh. This lets you poke around inside before the application tries to start. No more container panic attacks. Follow for daily DevOps